Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add editors and managers to your YouTube channel. And they need access to your YouTube channel, but you don't want them to have access to everything. Well, what you can do is give them certain permissions so they can see and maybe edit a few things on your channel. What I'm going to do today is show you exactly how you can do that. So first thing you want to do is get to YouTube Studio, and once you do that, you can go to settings, and then from settings you want to go to your permissions. You will see this little page right here, in which case you want to go to move permissions to YouTube. So you can click on move permissions. That will give you the option. Go ahead and start inviting people to have certain roles on this particular channel. So once I go ahead and invite, you will see that I have an email, in which case I can go ahead and email said person, and then I can give them access to become one of these roles on this particular channel. You can see that they have 6 different roles. So let's be you have a manager, in which case they can manage pretty much everything other than hide or delete the channel. Then you have the editor, which can do everything but manage permissions and delete content. Also you have the editor limited, which is the same thing except they cannot look at revenue data. Then you can go down to the subtitle editor, which can add, edit and remove subtitles but can do anything else. In the last but not least, you have the viewer and limited viewer, in which case the viewer can view everything and a limited viewer can view everything except for revenue data. So once you go ahead and add what you want said person to be, you can go ahead and give them an email. If say I wanted to give this to myself and just say I want it to be in that manager, I can go ahead and press done, and then you can see that I pop up here and it's a pending invitation. So all I have to do is go into my other email address and accept the invitation, which is exactly what the person that you are trying to invite to your channel. They'll have to accept the invitation in order for them to actually have access to your channel. Now a few things to know about this is that if you do not save it when you close out of it, who will not save also. If you want to get rid of any permissions up here and go back to you being the only person I have access to your channel, you can always opt out of permission, in which case you will see right here you will get this check, but you will have to check it says I understand that I'll need to manually re-add permissions back to my brand account. You can go ahead and press out. You can see that went back to where it was before you decided to add roles to your account. So that's it for this video. That's how you can add manager and editor to your YouTube channel. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.